What's happening with your YouTube? It's another motherfucking retro review. Got them Paccs in, dog. Paccs in, Paccs motherfucking in. My first off, let y'all hit that like button and you fucks with your boy. If you don't, hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Man, shout out to everybody that's fucking with your boy. Fuck you haters with a sick dick, no rubber. Shit, fuck me on that IG. Super_duper_ruber. And you get your questions answered over there. Yo, these Paccs took a little minted. A little motherfucking minted. So shit, they here. You hear me? So that's what matters. Like I said, we're gonna again, man, shout out to all y'all. Shit, I'm thinking about having another giveaway cracking soon. Kinda wanna do something different though. You feel me? Like I know big shoes, niggas gave away Rolexes and all kind of shit. So y'all let me know what y'all think I should give away next. This right here, something that I have not had from a site in, I'm talking about super long time. Man, y'all see it wrapped up and shit, now. Big ass, you know what I'm saying, Louis Vuitton dust bag. Wow. Motherfucking backpack jump. Hey, yes, this bitch can be at your door. You hear me? For the kind of low, almost kind of low. But yeah, there that go. Shit, do all this shit. Fuck that. Next up. Blah. These things here. Y'all done seen them. But shit, I had to get some more. You hear me? Straight like that. Black outside 12. Nope, these are not up for grabs. I repeat. No, they is not up for grabs. Blam. Blam. I mean, shit, y'all see them. Y'all didn't see that video. Go check out that video I did on. But yeah, them good to go. These things I fuck with. The red ones look better though. But I fuck with both. Next up. Open your ass shut. Black eye, hold up. Like, this might be a pattern. Open, you hear me? This might be some. Oh no. Yeah, these are for grabs. Size 12. Them down cough thing y'all see from the box. It ain't the blacks. It's the grays. Blam blam. Got a video on them things. Come good. And last but not motherfucking least. Man, ready to warm back up. Boy, that sounds great. That shit banging. These right here, your pair of off. Brown side 12. And that's them bread toe things. Like I said, video on these too. You heard me? I will say that they just updated them. And that updated joke, it's all with Gucci and all that stuff, but ain't nothing like that first pair I had with that pair I had with that rough ass cut on the back, man. That pair was so fucking crazy soft. What's up with the soap? Hey. It is what it is. More Paccs coming. More all that shit coming. You hear me? More Paccs coming, more all that shit coming. Like, come subscribe. Fuck with me.